Matt, I'd love to kind of segue into this. Let's talk about what you're doing now, or let's talk about why you hung on to the AE role for so long in the first place.
Yeah, it's an interesting question, and a lot of it, again, just in the sake of transparency, boiled down to necessity. You spoke to it a moment ago. While we work with predominantly these really fast-growing, in many cases, venture-backed B2B software companies, Sales Assembly, we've always been a bootstrap company, just building slowly from the ground up. So a byproduct of that is just myself and, to a limited extent, my partner Jeff, as founders, as co-founders. We needed to be that frontline sales organization. And even though we continued to scale to a point where we did have interest in outside investors, and still do have interest to this day from outside investors, because we run, a healthy, profitable business, which, as you could imagine in this day and age, is kind of a rarity. We still have elected not to take any outside capital. So a lot of it has been, number one, I do enjoy it. I think it's effective. There's very few things that I do halfway decently. This is one of them. So I might as well try to continue leaning into that to make myself
Yeah.
useful. But also just a byproduct of not having, the quote unquote traditional runway that most of the types of companies that operate in this ecosystem might have, where we can go out and build a true sales organization and see how that works in A/B tests in real time. Because with us, every month, being a bootstrap company that's cash in, cash out, we need to make sure that we're bringing in more revenue than we're spending in payroll and expenses, all that kind of stuff. So again, it kind of comes with the territory of building the business the way that we have.